Imagine a world where the very design of nature inspires the future of renewable energy, a world where the elegance of a simple leaf holds the key to revolutionizing how we capture and harness the power of the sun. Today, we take you on a journey through an extraordinary innovation in solar technology, an innovation that could change everything we know about renewable energy. It all begins with a technology known as luminescent solar concentrators or LSC. Since the 1970s, these devices have been capturing sunlight and concentrating it onto smaller areas, enhancing the efficiency of photovoltaic cells. But like all great ideas, LSC have faced their share of challenges that have held them back from reaching their full potential. Traditional LSC struggled with scalability, efficiency losses, and design limitations. They relied on bulky mirrors and lenses, making them difficult to expand for larger applications. Photon losses, self-absorption, and scattering were constant hurdles, and so the promise of LSC remained just out of reach until now. Enter the leaf-shaped luminescent solar concentrator, a brilliant innovation from researchers at Ritsumeikan University in Japan. Inspired by the natural design of a maple leaf, this new LSC model overcomes the very challenges that have held traditional LSC back. By mimicking the way a leaf collects sunlight for photosynthesis, these scientists have unlocked a new level of efficiency and scalability. The result? A flexible, modular system that could pave the way for the future of solar energy. So, how does it work? At the heart of this design is a central luminescent fiber surrounded by smaller, interconnected luminescent plates. These plates are carefully positioned, their sides facing the fiber, to maximize the interaction between light and the luminescent material. When sunlight strikes the plates, it is absorbed and converted into photoluminescent photons. These photons then travel through the fiber, guided with minimal losses, and are collected at the tip by a photovoltaic cell. It's a process that's as efficient as it is elegant, and it all comes down to the power of design. The modular nature of this leaf-shaped LSC allows for smaller, more efficient components. In fact, the size of a square leaf LSC has been reduced from 50 millimeters to just 10 millimeters, leading to a significant boost in photon collection efficiency. But the real magic of this innovation lies in its potential applications. The leaf-shaped LSC isn't just a lab experiment, it's a versatile, scalable solution that could transform industries and reshape our energy landscape. Imagine entire cities adorned with building-integrated photovoltaics, where every facade and window harnesses the sun's power, all while maintaining the beauty of urban architecture. In densely packed environments where space is a luxury, these LSC could turn everyday structures into power generators, or picture flexible solar panels, lightweight and portable, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. Thanks to their modular design, these panels can be easily replaced, upgraded, or adapted for different uses, making them ideal for portable power solutions. And in agriculture, where balancing sunlight and shade is crucial, these semi-transparent LSC could be integrated into greenhouses or agri-photovoltaic systems, providing energy while still allowing crops to flourish. In remote locations far from the grid, these LSC could offer a lifeline, bringing clean, renewable energy to communities that need it most. From disaster relief efforts to powering isolated research stations, the possibilities are endless. The leaf-shaped luminescent solar concentrator is more than just a technological marvel, it's a glimpse into the future of solar energy, a future where nature's wisdom and human ingenuity come together to create solutions that are not only efficient and scalable, but also sustainable and beautiful. As the world moves towards a cleaner, greener future, innovations like these will be at the forefront, guiding us towards a new era of energy independence. The leaf-shaped LSC is just the beginning, and the journey is far from over. Join us on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more stories of innovation and discovery as we explore the technologies shaping our world.